Welcome to my warehouse, and I'm going to show you how to apply Estopatch RSR. Let's start with step number 1, surface preparation. Please make sure that the repair area are thoroughly clean, free of latent dirt, dust, grease, oil and any other contaminants. Mark the area using paper tape. Step number 2, mixing. Add part A, the liquid, into part B, powder, and mix it thoroughly until a homogeneous consistency is achieved. You may use a low-speed mechanical mixer, or let me show you the easy way. Step number 3, level the repair area using a steel trowel for the thickness between 2 to 10 mm. Please do remember that the pot life for this Estopatch RSR is only 15 minutes. Generally, you should let it cure for at least 24 hours. What? You think 24 hours very long? What if I tell you that your forklift and car can pass through Estopatch RSR after 2 hours? You believe that or not? Come, let me show you. Now that you know it is possible, what are you waiting for? Get yourself Estopatch RSR for your pavement repair. This is Gay, and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Bye bye for now.